goes back in there. If you want it, get it out. You know how to do it. You nearly got it. Try again.
Come on, buddy, you can do it.
He's gonna crack the shits in a minute and push the glass off.
We just gotta. Oh, yeah. He's taking a minute 20, mate. Come on. It's really persistent.
He's just playing with it now because he knows he can do it.
No, he's trying. He's really trying, Kira. It's annoying him. He's got no nails anymore.
You got it.
Yeah. Hey, big boy. Now he's gonna knock off the table. Put it back in the bowl.
No, it goes back in here. He just wants to pull them all apart. You're a little terrorist.
Enough. Enough over here? No. Motherfucker. Get out. Come on, you smoke me smokes. See where they're going. See what he does with it.
It's not food, you silly boy. He's like, oh, but it's something to chew on. I already broke one.